Good morning, everybody.
Good morning,
Today,
fellas.
we are on the highest peak of the road. We are right in front of Lake Baile. We will be beginning our hike. It's about 45 minutes to an hour to a monument up in the mountains there called the Alpine Monument.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start that soon.
Climb some peaks as well.
Yeah, we're gonna get up there, see what's up there, climb around.
We had proper breakfast.
We had good breakfast. The pension we were at last night was a really nice one, better than the one the night before. So got a decent night's sleep, good breakfast, couple cups of coffee. Now we're ready to hike.
Yeah.
It's a nice cool day here, about like 50 something degrees Fahrenheit, something else Celsius.
Hiking.
Perfect hiking weather. Bit cloudy, not too sunny, don't need sunscreen today. So here we go. Let's start this hike. Got the snow up here.
We're making snowballs now.
How far can you throw it?
Let's see. Not that far. It's not heavy enough.
I don't think you could even see where it went on the camera.
That way we should say it went to the lake.
Yeah, it went
like
pretty
all
far.
over the mountain.
We have to cross snow, which looks very dangerous. If you fall, this is kind of sketchy. I don't know. That's very slippery and I don't have good shoes. So just crossed the snow. Used this trusty rock as a pick to go across. Thank you, rock. Kind of sketchy. Hopefully there's no more of those, but up we go. So just had another one of those snow crossings. Not as bad as the first one, but I'd say we've made it past the easy part. It's getting warm now. I think it's just gonna get more difficult as the path's gonna circle around there, and then we gotta get up onto the ridge top. So I'll keep you guys updated, and we'll see you at the top.
Yeah.
Let's go. Slowly getting there. This little waterfall up there. Path's getting not as steep. I think we'll be going that way. Prokop's off in the distance. Quite a nice view though. It's where we started, all the way down there. Getting ever so closer. Just had a pretty difficult part coming around that bend and up. And we're going up there, then up there. So it'll be even more difficult, but this is great. Just look at the views. Alright, how's your hike going so far for you?
It's going really well so far. Like the beginning was kind of rough. Then the middle section was pretty easy. Got earphones, got into nice breathing. Now the last part was kind of rough. It was pretty slippery, so we're taking a little break, and then we'll probably finish the hike.
So let's see what's around the bend here. Yeah. Oh, here's a sign. We've made it to the top. It's really windy up here. Super cold. I think we're gonna turn back, head back down, grab some food and make our way to Sigiswara. Quite a nice hike. Very cool area up here, but we're just not really prepared to keep going. So I think we're gonna turn back. Honestly, I don't know how far this monument is from where we're at now, and we can't really see anything because it's just super cloudy. So our best bet is to turn back. We are about halfway down now. We took a different way down. So you can see there we had to descend from all the way up there, down this rock face, down here, and then we have to go down there still.
Fuck. Lots of loose rocks, but we made it.
Yeah.
In one piece.
It's quicker than the way we came, and we want to just get down, get some food, and get going to the next place now. So keep on moving.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right. Off the mountain, ate an extremely overpriced meal, right? Prokov's angry about that.
I'm pretty mad. I paid like 120 lei.
It's about
like
$30.
Yeah.
So food was good, quite expensive, but on to Sigiswara.